How did your company get started? Like everyone has a start, but how did you guys get started?
Yeah, so around 3 years ago, Rebecca kind of approached me. She was doing her own cleaning, and then she was pregnant at the time, and she was looking for something that she didn't want to quite let her clients go. So
Mm,
she kind of wasn't sure if she should um, completely stop or kind of keep the ball going. And she had heard me say something about a cleaning business, that it wouldn't
yeah,
be so hard to sort of potentially start up something with employees so that, yeah, when you go through transitions in life, you can keep it going. So
yeah,
that was kind of our goal with how it got started, was to yeah, just kind of make a sustainable business that's sustainable for us and our families, and then for others as well.